Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a topic that might feel a bit stressful but is totally manageable. What to do if you've lost your marriage certificate in 2025. Whether it's tucked away in a box you can't find or simply vanished into thin air, don't panic. We've got a step-by-step guide to help you get back on track. First off, why does this matter? A marriage certificate is a key legal document that proves your marital status, and it's often needed for things like passports, property dealings, or even immigration processes. So, losing it can throw a wrench in your plans, but the good news is, replacements are available. Step 1. Start by double-checking everywhere. I know it sounds obvious, but sometimes that certificate is just hiding in an old drawer or a forgotten file. If you've searched high and low and it's still Mia, move on to reporting the loss. In most places, you'll need to file a police report or notify the relevant authorities to prevent any misuse. This is especially important in 2025, as digital security measures might require this step for official replacements. Next, gather your supporting documents. You'll typically need things like your ID, any available copies of the certificate, or witness statements. Then, head to the Vital Records Office or the agency that issued your certificate. Check your local government's website for exact details, as processes can vary by country or state. For example, in the US, you might apply through the county clerk's office, while in the UK, it could be the General Register office. Once you're there, fill out the replacement application form. Be prepared for a small fee, usually between $15 to $50, depending on where you are, and a waiting period of a few weeks to a couple of months. In 2025, some areas might offer expedited online services, so look into that for faster results. Finally, to avoid this hassle in the future, make digital backups or keep certified copies in a safe place. If you're dealing with this right now, stay calm and follow these steps. You'll have your certificate sorted out in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more life hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.